Why is that man so angry?
Ah!
Oh, hello.
Goodbye!
Mommy, he's so scary.
They can't touch you, big dog!
What time is it?
Oh, well, I think it's knocked out Monte! Snack, young fella!
Mr. Iverson, I would get a hand up if I was you.
Man down. Social distancing. Man, give me that bowl. Stir fry. Gooseneck, young fella!
Excuse me.
Gooseneck, big fella! Said, need some Advil, this boy does. Right here. That's Gooseneck, kid. Snack, young fella!
In your bag, Lance? Yup. Oh yeah, post them up, big fella. Hey, that's a foul. That's a foul.
Oh, looky, 2 easy points. Mr. Iverson, I would get a hand up if I was you.
And animals know how to read a clock when it's social distancing. Man, give me that bowl. Question. What you jumping for?